So over here you can see that I have an image right here. If you want to go ahead and make changes to it, then you can utilize these corner handles to go ahead and resize these out, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go ahead and then resize it out by clicking and dragging these out right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here. You can go ahead and center align it. You can right align it, left align it, and so forth as you want right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto the image design option right here to go ahead and make further changes. Like you can go ahead and add in shadow to it right here. You can even go ahead and choose the color of the shadow as per the brand color, as you can see right here, and even go ahead right here and change around the offset of the shadows as you want. You can even go ahead and add in a border, as you can see right here, just like this, and then choose the color of the border as well, and even go ahead and change around the corner radius of the border as well. You can even go ahead and change out the layout, so you can go for inline, or maybe go ahead and change around the position as you want right here. So depending on where you place it, you will actually see those changes as well. But in my case, I only have picture right now. But you can go ahead and change around the width, the height right here, and even go ahead and change around the minimum width and height as you want as well by utilizing the slider. So whenever let's say for example the web page resizes, it will maintain that particular pixel. And then you got flex option as well, so you can go ahead and add in gaps as you want. So there's not much gaps right here, but you can go ahead and utilize these right here just like this to go ahead and change out how this actually looks. So if you want to go ahead and reset it out, so you can simply go ahead and reset to get the image back as you want. So what you can do is go ahead and change around the image design option by utilizing this slider as you need. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.